You know what I love about MBLV?
No.
Geeks. And who better than to talk to than my best friend, Ben Stowe from NLFXPro. Notice that Stowe, Pro rhymes?
We did it on purpose.
Yes, I thought you did. Hey, Ben, welcome to the show. I know you've been a big supporter of us for many years, and we want to make sure we get some interviews in with you and talk about all the products that you brought with us to the show and after the show. So let's start with these fabulous things right here. What is this?
Well, these are, I'll tell you what, you love the geeks and we love geeks. It started with our signature geek shirt here. Actually, very much DJ inspired, and proud to. Yesterday, I saw at least 4 or 5 people wearing these that they'd got previously, and that really made me feel good. And we wanted to honor that. We wanted to. We said, well, let's raise the bar. Let's come out with some more. Because you can't wear the same shirt every day of the week, right?
Very cool. Now, this is one of my favorites. Is the new Run DMX.
Yeah, another DJ-inspired shirt. Credit where credit's due. That Mike Susk out of California, that was his design. He made a couple up. He sent me one, and I said, Mike, this is too good not to share with the DJs. Can we make them and reach an agreement that we can sell these to DJs? And he said, yeah, absolutely. So that's been very popular.
Okay, and down at this end, we've got.
Well, we've got our periodic table shirts. You just sort of have to sound them out, Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I get compared to Sheldon Cooper a lot. I don't know if that's if that's a compliment or not.
I get compared to Leonard a lot. I don't know if that's good or not either. Actually, no, we're not. Okay, T-shirts are available online.
Yeah, they absolutely are. If you're not here at the show, what is wrong with you if you're not here at the show?
Exactly.
But if you couldn't make it, we still love you and we still want you to have some of these shirts. They're available online. These are a little rub at our Star Trek fans. Resistance is futile.
Yep.
Resistance is not futile. Resistance is voltage divided by amperage. It is. Look it up.
Geek. Okay, let's go.
Speaking of geeks, check this out, Mark.
Sure.
Well, here's kind of how this went. We have our geek shirt, the original. This was started it all, right? And then we had. I have a beautiful wife, and there are people who, for whatever reason, love us geeks.
Yep.
I mean, we're easy to love, I think. So we said, well, we need something for the people who love geeks. But then, and that's available only in a ladies' cut, and we had a lot of ladies that said, wait a minute, I'm a lady and I'm a geek, and I deserve better than a men's cut shirt. Yeah, and we said, we agree. So for the ladies, we have the exclusive Pink Geek. It's available only in a ladies' cut.
Say that again. Pink Geek.
Pink Geek.
I love that one.
Well, and you know what happens when you get two geeks together?
Yep.
Baby geek.
There you go. Okay. And the future geek. So I hope my camera person got all these for us, and then we can edit it in camera. As you said last year, make sure you do a good camera edit, cameraman. Okay, let's go over to your signature areas now. All right, Ben, we are standing in front of one of your pride and joys. I know you love to make little things, and one of them is like these kind of cables. What is this?
Well, at the end of the day, it comes down to having spent a lot of years moving gear around, setting up for shows, and more importantly, listening to our customers. And they're saying, you know what, I need my life to be easier. I need my setup to be faster, and I need my cables to be a higher quality. And we've tried to address that. So this is an all-in-one. We call it our hybrid series. And by the way, we're competing with the brand new EV ETX speakers for airspace here.
We're going there next.
Yeah, and they are hard to compete with. They are amazing speakers. So hopefully you can all hear me okay. This is an all-in-one type cable. We put rock mesh to protect the conductor. Excuse me.
Okay.
And here we have
resistance is never mind.
Yeah, exactly. This is be like the mixer end of an audio cable. You can plug this into your power distribution or power conditioning unit. Plug this into your mixer, and then on the other end for your powered speaker, we've got the IEC C13 connector to go into the speaker, and then an XLR male to go into the signal. And these are also available with stereo conductors as well. So we have
any size, any length you want?
Absolutely. We make these in the United States. They're custom. We do maintain some stock, of the most common sizes, but we can
25.
Absolutely, and the most common configurations. But we can make anything and get it shipped out right away for you.
Okay.
Some other options. Now these two here happen to actually be DMX models, and it is a different cable inside. It's DMX cable as opposed to mic cable inside. Of course, that's very important to me. Just make sure we have the right tool for the job. And this one here has a PowerCon connection. Could also be used for audio. Not this particular cable, but we can put PowerCon cables on the audio cables as well. PowerCon gray, so power linking. And if you're using like the American DJ lights that have the IECs on both ends, IEC and XLR on your DMX cable, and IEC and XLR on your DMX cable there as well. So again,
any configuration, any size.
Configuration. Let us know what would make your life easier, and we'll build it for you.
And you're also doing this with cases too.
Yeah,
so
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. You know, in the custom shop, and this is all dedicated here to custom panels. We'll design it, and we can build it. These can be, here's just a 19-inch, one rack space example, but we can make them any size, any shape, and load them with virtually any connector. And you can see we have a variety of connector options and laser engraving. We can,
nice.
Yeah, we can.
So it won't wear off.
Exactly, it's never coming off.
Very good, and this is even more customizable.
Yep, exactly. Here you can see it's got pre-wired tails. I mean, basically, shows up to you. You just plug it into your equipment, mount it into your rack, and you're done. You don't have to do any soldering. We do that for you. It blew my mind. I thought everybody loved to solder, but it turns out they don't. I don't know. Who knew?
Who knows? Non-geeks, I guess.
Non-geeks, yes.
I spend my Saturday nights usually soldering something together, yeah.
Well, I would say that I don't, but I do.
Well, we know that's true because I've called you on a Saturday night and Ben was soldering with the family, teaching the kids. Anyways, let's go talk about something really new and exciting.
All right, well, that sounds good. Before we go, I just want to mention real quick, right behind you, our gaff tape. So when you've got those cables, and we're very proud of our premium grade gaff tape and our premium cables. So available in white, green, burgundy, brown, black, a variety of colors. They're 60-yard rolls, and they are also made here in the United States. So.
Yeah, because we got one other thing. We got to come over to this spot. Now, you got a couple really unique things here, and I know what this is all about because I've got some of the new controllers, and the mics run really hot. And this is a lifesaver, and these are 10 dB mic pads. And what do they do, Ben?
It reduces the incoming signal if you kind of have that runaway mic or an oversensitive pad. It reduces it by 10 dB. And these are made in our facility in Minnesota, right here in the United States, using quality part. It's a balanced H pad. So
how much are they?
I think they're like 19 bucks.
Okay.
So.
And I'll tell you what, it makes your controller and the mic just works so much better.
Thanks. This over here is kind of unique. If you've got CompuShow or another Nicolati type interface where you've got the 2 universe output on the device, but it's over a 5-pin XLR, and you want to split it into 2 universes for DMX, 5-pin here by 2 3-pins.
Wait, is this what I think it is?
Yeah, it allows you to get 2 universes out of that Nicolati or Elation CompuShow or similar. On the CompuShow dongles, you can have 2 universes on that dongle. So what that allows you to do is running instead of 512 channels, you can now run 1024 from that one output.
Okay.
So it addressed a very specific need for customers.
A specific need for a specific product.
Yep, absolutely. Okay. And then we've got some 5 to 3-pin adapters here, and then our speak-on cables here. And these things here are really cool. The challenge has been, how do I mount lights on a speaker stand? If I want to put an effect light on a speaker stand, the stand tube diameter doesn't support any of the existing clamps on the market, at least not any that I've seen before this. This is an 1 3/8 clamp, so it works perfectly for that. It's a quick release clamp. It's very easy to use. Just put it around your speaker pole. Quick clamp, done. So there you go. Here's your speaker pole, and there's your light.
Thanks. Okay, crap, tried. Okay, nice, really nice.